Hello and welcome to another update on VeChain. Yeah, it's time to take a look at the VeChain chart because VeChain is currently in a micro support region. I've slightly shifted the structures. Nothing got invalidated, but the blue count, I've just moved the A wave down here. So I just want to emphasize it is entirely possible that we have completed already a 5-wave move up here, but it's just not the cleanest. Just doesn't look great, but it's possible. Okay. So therefore, this could be an A, B, C structure. I have to keep the door open for one more high in the yellow scenario, but then the market should hold the 2.58 cent level. So there are basically, to keep it very simple, there are two ways how this 5-wave move up could be labeled. Either 1, 2, a small 1, 2. This was the third wave, 4, 5. And that is all of the A wave. And then we're now in a B wave pullback. A, B, C. So that's what I'm tracking in a larger pullback scenario, that we're already in a larger pullback. Quite likely, to be honest, unless we really see a reaction here to this area. But even then, in this blue count, seems likely that we see a reaction to this support area to at least rally in the B wave. Like a B wave corrective bounce before we come down in the C wave. That's definitely something I'm tracking. So it means there is an initial micro support area between 2.58 cents and, well, where we're now at around 2.7 cents. And the reaction will determine whether it's the blue count or the yellow count. Yellow, absolutely possible, but I don't see any strong reaction yet from that low. But it's important to recognize that there is a chance still for one more high. And if we get that one more high, then it could just be an extended 5-wave move. And then we can add support for the wave 2 later. Alternatively, if, or not necessarily alternatively, it's just the other count, both possible. If we see a corrective rally, clearly corrective, it keeps the door open for a wider wave B already, or could also be a wave 2. That doesn't matter. I mean, I just want to communicate we do have already a potential 5-wave move up. So we generally look for higher prices. But obviously the correction needs to be a 3-wave move, and it needs to hold a higher low above the April low. And the first area of support is this one. So, and then we might see a reaction here. What would happen if we break below this area? I mean, in that case, first of all, I would focus on this 2.38 cent level. That's the next support that could be tested. Would not be Fibonacci support anymore, but still a relevant support area, even in yellow wave 4 relevant. Yeah, would not be ideal. Wave 4 should ideally not go down that much. So again, that might already shift probabilities towards the blue count if that happens. And then if we break below that level as well, then your next level of support is around 2.18 cents. So for now, I'm watching if the market can generate some kind of a response to the current micro support area. And I don't see it yet. Okay, I don't see it yet. We need a bit more evidence here. Minimally, I'd say a break above the 2.89 cent level. Better a break above the 2.95 cent level. That's the 18th of May swing high. And then we can already add the first resistance area to the chart for blue wave B, which is here between 3 cents and 3.3 cents. So this would be a standard resistance area for blue wave B. And the blue B wave should unfold as an ABC structure itself. So A wave, B wave, C wave, like that. Okay, that's what I am tracking in the blue scenario. So waiting for reaction. Another low cannot be ruled out, even in yellow and blue scenarios. So in that case, 2.58 cents could be the next support. And the market could then reattempt a rally in the blue B wave from there. That should give you the support levels, support and resistance, but overall there is absolutely no sign that we're already in the next rally that could take us deeper into that larger resistance area. That's not yet favored. Yeah. Okay, that's the update on VeChain. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.